Yeah, well, we've come down to the allotment today, me and Harry, little Pip. But what's happened, son?
It's raining.
It's raining, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're stuck in the greenhouse. Oh, well, it looked such a nice day as well. But I don't know if you can see, that's the slabs. Hey, what's happening, guys? Just popped down the allotment. I'm not sure what tasks I'm going to do yet, but I got a quick an hour or so I'll just record whatever I'm doing. I've come to get the trolley first, because I've got some bags in the car for the compost bin. So I'll do that first, then I'll come back on. Cheers, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Pip's Allotment. Thanks for checking out this video. As I said, I've just popped down to the allotment today just to do the odd job, so I'm going to record whatever I'm doing. But at first I want to show you how the allotment's looking. It's a bit windy outside, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around and then add the voiceover on afterwards. So here we go, this is the beginning of the tour here. So I'm just walking out the greenhouse there, and you can see that bed that's half dug over, and that is going to be the potato bed. I'm hoping to get that dug over in the next couple of weekends, maybe before that. And that there is the only remaining compost bin now on the actual site. And now that bed, I think it's going to be the squash bed. This is the bed, the state of the strawberry bed, before I go on and tidy up a bit later in the video. And I'm just showing you the mess there just at the side of the greenhouse that needs tidying up. And that's a job that needs doing soon. Now over here is where I planted the 4 gooseberry plants, and I'm just showing you the progress on them here. So one of them's got a little leaf on. That one's coming up. That one's doing really well. And that one, I don't know what's going on with that one. And that's the rhubarb. I've covered it with chicken manure, which I showed you in the last video. I'm just taking off the leaves there. And that is from the rhubarb, that plastic barrel there that I've kept. So let's just walk up to the new slabs, and you can see the gap there that needs closing off, and then that is the 6 beds totally completed. Once that's done, that is going to be the weekend's job. And it's only that bed remaining that needs compost putting on top. And this is the part that I did on the last video, which was dig the rhubarb out and run that row down there on the left, which gives us a border there, a nice little border to put some more bulbs in, just like the next section. So it might be the case that I use that for chard or something like that, and keep it free for maybe lettuce or something. I'll have to have a think, but that's what I did on the other side, and you can see them tulips there coming up really nicely now. And I even moved this fence back a bit and peg it in. So I'm really expecting a nice display of tulips from the ones I planted just before December. Now this is where the strawberry bed used to be, and I've planted the bulbs in there. And in the middle where that marker is there, where I'm just pointing there, I've just planted a row of tulips and ran out halfway through. They're the ones that I found in the shed, and they were already sprouting. Hello. This is the blueberry plant. And that seems to be doing really well. Very excited to see how that goes. And that's the strawberries that were removed from that bed. Not sure what I'm going to do with them. The cold frame's going to be moved near the greenhouse, and these are the fruit trees. Tiny little bit of action on some of them. There you go, some buds there. Raspberry canes. Out of all the ones that I got gifted last year, only that one is showing any progress at the moment. Now these 4 are the ones I got from Tesco, and only that one there has some flower leaves on, but it's still early days for them. And as you can see there, I'm just looking across the full site and everything's looking really good. I'm really happy with the progress I've made. The fence here just needs some screws putting in, and then them 2 posts, just the one right there, needs fixing, and there's one up at the top there that needs doing as well. And then I'm just going to transport you to the back of the allotment. Here you can see some nice cages and put over the top of young plants that help protect them. We've got the incinerator there and the 3 compost bins, so that's definitely a lot nicer now to have the composting done in one area, and that is until I actually build a bigger one, 3-tier system later on. Here's a bench here that I'm thinking about painting to salvage it or get at least a few more years life out of it. Could come in handy. But you can see that's just a general tidy up needed around this area. It's nothing too bad at all. I'm going to get rid of that vermin thing there. That's not mine. Definitely need to do that section first. So really this area is just about making it safe for when Harry comes down. So I do want to get it done sooner rather than later. And that concludes the end of the March tour. So thanks for watching. Next will be the time lapse for the bulbs and me sorting the strawberry bed. Thanks. Well guys, that's me done with my little job. So overall I managed to get some more bulbs in at the bottom there, so that's nice. I put some tulips in there the other day as well, which you didn't see me do there. Hopefully I've done a good tour there of how things are looking and give you an idea of what I'm thinking next. And then I did a time lapse of us doing the strawberries, so I'll just give you a quick look so you can see how they're looking now. So what I've done is, the ones I done last year, these are first year strawberries, I've just planted them in that row there. All the rest are all the strawberries that were here. I've just put chicken manure on them, and then I'm going to get some compost and put compost over it. But look how much better that looks, guys. Over the moon with that. So yeah, definitely happy with the progress so far. So that's it for Pip's Allotment this episode. I hope you join me next time, and thanks to all my new subscribers. See you later, guys.